Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making apple and apricot chicken sandwiches. So we have a little bit of pre-cooked chicken breast cut into nice bite-sized pieces. I have some apricot spread, some chopped apples, some sliced grapes, a little bit of lettuce, and some toasted whole wheat bread. Very first thing we want to do is take our spread, place it in the bottom of a bowl, season this. A little salt, a little touch of pepper. Our apples, we had just a little bit of orange juice on those just to keep them from browning. Add a little drop of that in there, mix this together. Add in our chicken and our grapes. We're just going to toss all this together until it's coated. Okay. Arrange some of our lettuce. Okay, to get it all on there. Just on the top of your sandwich like that. All right, at this point, if you just want to cut these into halves or quarters like we've done here. And you can plate these up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.